What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Today's gonna be a really cool vlog. Today we're actually going to a car meet. Gonna meet up with a couple friends in Anaheim. There's this huge car meet going on. It actually started at I think 10, it's 10:50. I still need to wash my car and I still need to drive an hour. So we're probably not gonna get there till like 12. But if you guys seen the title and thumbnail, we actually got new wheels on the E92. Yes, the E92 got some new wheels, but unfortunately, they're not my wheels. I actually borrowed these wheels off of Trevor. Trevor's car has been sitting at 412 for the past like 2 weeks or something. They're waiting to work on it, but in the meantime, he was like, take the wheels, go have a little photo shoot or something, and just try them on for the week. So huge shout out to Trevor for letting me borrow the wheels. The car looks so freaking good, and I'll show you guys right now. I actually filmed the whole entire vlog yesterday of putting the wheels on and all kinds of stuff, but I can't post that vlog unfortunately because there's a big surprise at the end of that video that I can't show yet until my friend reveals it onto his channel first, if that makes sense. It'll make sense soon. But I'm gonna throw in the footage of putting these wheels on the car. We went to 412, I kicked it there for a little bit, and that's when Trevor came up with the idea to trade wheels. So let's roll that footage right now of switching the two wheels over. Okay guys, change of plan. We're not gonna put Arian's wheels. We're actually gonna put Trev's wheels on my car. And probably take him home too for a week. And there goes Trev right there. He's leaving for the day, but he told me, he was like, bro, take my wheels, let's trade for a week. I could go take some pictures with them or something and see how these look. I think these things are gonna look insane on my car. Polished lips on the red, it's gonna look so good. After the E46 is done, after I'm done spending money, I plan on building a set of wheels, but right now, every single penny is going to that E46. But after it's done, I want to build a set of wheels. Polished lips, maybe some BBS or something. They're swapping wheels out. Oh my god. This is tired of working? No, I just know it's going to be a lot of work,
bro, they're going to be nice. Ooh, meaty tires. Toyo R888.
We have a problem though.
What's the problem?
I don't think the lugs are going to fit.
Put the light on so you can fucking
Alright, they're on. Oh shit.
You and your wheels.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, the fronts are super wide. That shit barely fits. Kev, you're about to break my fenders, bro. It looks good or what? Bro, I love this angle. This thing looks so sick. What? I need some. I need polished lips. I know, these wheels are dirty. Trev, I think I'm gonna wash your wheels for you. It looks way better. I need polished wheels, dude. Huge shout out to Trev for letting me try them on. Pretty much borrow them for a couple days. Super random, but we got new wheels on the E92 for the week. Probably rock these for about a week, like I said. Do a little photo shoot or something. Probably get them washed because Trev's car has been sitting here for weeks and they need to get washed. So we'll probably go get a car wash just so I can see the full thing. But it looks freaking good. And Trev's car doesn't look that bad either. Look who's calling me. Oh, Trev's car actually looks pretty sick. All murdered out. So yeah guys, the car looks so freaking good with those wheels. Well, with these wheels, now it's daytime, so you guys can get a better idea of how it looks. And the car's aired up, so of course when it's aired out it looks so much better. About to get the car wash and then we'll head to the meet. Let's go. Alright, we're done. Sorry for the loud noise, but look how good the freaking car looks. Trev, I took real good care of your wheels. These things are so clean, bro. The rear just freaking perfect. All this lip, this big old lip, and it's all polished. It's so sick. Look what I ran into, bro. You watch my videos?
Yep, all of it.
Dude, he watched one of my first videos. He told me like the very first video he watched was like, what was it? The Friday with the family or something? That's like the first video I ever posted on my channel. which is freaking crazy.
Shout out to my boy Nick.
Hey, that's his Beamer right there. He said he bought it from watching my videos, huh? You like Beamers? I like it, bro. That shit's clean. But we're out. Finally, the car is all washed, and now we're off to the car meet. I'm so freaking late. Let's hurry up and get there.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Finally made it to the car meet. Damn, that shit looks lit, actually, bro. There's a lot of cars. God damn, that thing's fire. Oh my god, I think I found my dream. Look at all these GTRs.
Wow, nice wheels.
Do you recognize them?
Baller wheels.
We made it, guys. We parked right here. This shit looks so sick, though. It looks so much better, huh? Guys, everybody's telling me it looks better. I need to get polished wheels. It looks so sick. But we're here, it's freaking packed. There's so many people, but it's so hot, bro. Dude, this 240 is super clean. Red on polish, of course. And it just looks so clean. God damn, dude. An LS and the 350Z. Blue carbon fiber. Holy shit, this shit has a lot of stuff done to it. God damn, bro. I need that. Bro, that thing is insane. I know, what if a cop looks at that? You think a cop will know what he's looking at? That's not supposed to be in there. This is probably my favorite one, though. It's literally exactly what I would do. These are the exact BBS wheels I want to get for my E92. So putting it on a GTR that's red already, that's literally my dream car. Holy crap, dude. That is crazy. The whole GTR squad, bro. I don't know, which one would you guys take? Damn, dude, it just keeps going. I don't know which one I like best. What? E36? That shit's sick. And it's M3? That's dope. I almost did this color, guys, on E92. It's a really sick color. I'm actually thinking of doing it still. It will definitely stand out. And it's very different. You guys remember this one from one of my vlogs? With the big ass turbo? Damn, dude. I've never seen it with the hood on, but they definitely had to cut all of it just to make it fit. A Supra? Damn. What the fuck is this? Why is it so small? Josue just told me that the guy that owns that red wide body GTR owns this one too. And they're literally twins. That's tight. FindingNick? Oh. Bro, I can't believe I had that color on my car one day, guys. Like, that's a bright ass color. I can't believe I drove around like that. Guys, I think Alex stole the keys. Is that the key? Right. I'm about to run, guys. I'm running with it. Bro, this guy just gave us the keys or what? Oh my god, bro. God, dude, that steering wheel is sick as fuck. Dude, it's just literally perfect. This is exactly how I would build it if I had like unlimited money. Damn, another GTR. This one's pretty sick too. Guys, there's probably gonna be a lot of GTRs in this vlog because I think they're all going to a car meet after this. Another car meet. And I think I'm gonna go. Just to cruise with all of them. Alright guys, we're out. Just left the car meet. It was a pretty sick meet. It's just very, very hot out here. It's like 100, probably over 100 degrees right now. So freaking hot. Too hot for a car meet. This is the squad that we're cruising with. A lot of GTRs. I don't know how I'm gonna keep up. This Mustang tilt's insane. Holy shit. This lineup. I think we're gonna go have a little photo shoot now, take some pictures of the GTRs. I'm the only photographer here, so I'm probably gonna be taking all the pictures. Alright, we made it to the photo shoot spot. This spot is sick. I can't get over how these wheels look on my car. It looks so sick. Especially under this lighting. The car looks all shiny. The wheels look all shiny. Imagine I had this and my E92. Fuck, bro. I need one so bad. That's literally perfect, dude. The 15?
16.
That's the year I want. I want these headlights.
So this is what you're talking about. This is what you're trying to do.
Exactly like this, bro.
You have to be light up.
That blow off valve is crazy, bro. Now that is a sick picture. All the red ones. Woo. Which one are you guys taking out of all 4 of these? GTR, Camaro ZL1, Mustang 5.0, or the E92 M3? Woo, it's a hard pick. Goals. Bro, that's both of his, guys. That's his Mustang and that's his GTR. And I thought I had a sick car garage. I don't know where we're all gonna park, but there's a lot of us. We made it. Car meet number 2 for the day. Let's see how this one is. Woo! Got the E36s, a Supra, 4 GTRs, all the red cars. Woo! We parked so far though. The building that the meet's at is like way in that corner. We parked way over here. God damn, that shit's fire. If only I was that low. That shit's clean. Guys, tell me this isn't the hardest lineup of cars. God damn, dude. There's actually a lot of E36s here. This one's so sick. I like the little motorsport design on the hood. Some Supras. A red Supra. That's goals. Molded wide body? That shit's pretty tough, bro. I like it. That color's hard. I think this guy wants both these cars. A Ferrari and a Beamer. Damn. Bro, I need to do that to mine and bag it. These guys are probably static, but I'm not that down. That shit looks beautiful in black though. This is definitely my favorite car here. I seen this one at one of the car shows and it's freaking perfect. Driving around with a big ass slick on it. Damn, dude. This shit's wild. This E36 reminds me so much of mine. Except I'm not even nearly that low. I want to go that low though. God damn. Holy shit, dude. I have not seen one of these in person. It's the new Supra. Oh my god, bro. Dude, I actually like it. Do you guys like these? Comment down below if you guys like this new Supra. I think they're dope. I think the rear end's like the best angle of it though. All the lights and stuff look so mean. I want one now. This should be a fun ass car and definitely gets a bunch of attention.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.